Hi, what's up, y'all? Today we're going to be going over how I predicted this trade and how I predicted this high. And the reason why I'm saying predictive is because it's not really predicting, it's basically just using a simple concept that I went over in my last two previous videos, I believe. And as the video is called Buying the Dip. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch that so you can understand what I'm doing in this video. And so basically, I was on my higher time frame just to see where I am in the markets. Um, I was on a monthly time frame looking for a clean zone. I didn't see nothing really good on this time frame, so that's when I was on the weekly time frame, and I saw this nice clean zone right here. And I will be going over supply and demand zones. I know I say that in every video, but I need to find time to be going over it. Um, So I saw this nice clean zone. At the time when I saw it, I believe price already tapped into it. So based on the understanding of the of my last video of what I told you of don't buy the dip, we knew this high was going to be ran, and price does not have to do it, but it's most likely to happen because price is showing us what it wants to do. So when I was on that weekly time frame, I had jumped down to a 4 hour time frame, I believe, and that's when I was looking at price. Yeah, I believe around this area. So somewhere around this area, I was waiting for the shift of price where I explained in that last video. So waited for that shift, and that's the trades I've been taking for this challenge. And that goes into the next topic I want to talk about was this trade I took, I believe, on Tuesday. Yeah, the day after um that other good trade I took that I posted. So let's go over it because that's the only other trade I took this week. I haven't took any trades yesterday or today. I don't see any setups, but let me see where I was at the time. Um, let me see. I'm trying to see where I was at. Yeah, all right, I remember. So basically, when I was looking for a trade on Tuesday, um, I saw this break of structure, price wants to be bullish on UJ, and I saw my demand zone right here, which I highlighted, and I had set my alert right here, and this was way before this was like price was right here, like heading down, so I knew the zone it may want to head to is right here, and I understood that price does not have to head to this zone, or it does not. It could like completely fall short and continue higher. It can even liquidate this zone and continue higher, with my understanding that price can sometimes liquidate a zone, which means take out a low before continuing higher. So I was looking at that. I set my alerts. I moved away, and when I did come back to the charts, price already moved all the way up here, and I was away from the charts. I was doing something else. So when I saw price was right here, I wasn't like, oh my god, y'all saw that? I wasn't like, oh my god, price just moved away from me. FOMO, FOMO. No, I just went down. I was like, oh, okay, price moved. Let me see if I can find an entry, because for one of my rules, if price is still in this range from the high to the zone area, I could still look for a trade. So since I was on the 30-minute time frame, I had jumped down to the 1 minute. Let's see. And no, this trade did not run all the way to the my target. I exited based on my rules, and it is what it is. Most of the times when I follow my rules on that exiting strategy, it does head back down, but profit is profit. So anyways, mm, Go down to this 1 minute. All right. So what I noticed right here, when I saw that price moved all the way right here, I was looking for, okay, let's see if I could find a good zone. So I basically followed the structure. So I saw that price was going bearish. Let's see. Sorry, y'all. Notice that price was going bearish. So where did price break structure? Right here. So I'm not, even though I missed it, I was looking, I I was looking where I could have entered if I was on the charts on time. And if I was on the charts, I would have been entering right here, and it would have been a really good trade to the top side. But I already understood that wasn't there. So I broke structure again, the double break structure. And then I had another one right here, broke again right here, and it broke again. As soon as when I hopped on the charts again, it was just breaking this high. It was just breaking this high. And I was like, oh, okay. This is actually a nice clean setup because we have a nice demand zone. And I did take a screenshot. That's the screenshot of the time right here. So where is this? 6th of September. So yeah, Tuesday. So I was like, oh, that's a clean zone. And I entered based on my entry criteria and my partials. Wait, before partials, I always look to break even, so I broke even price. Once price did this, so it went up, went down, went up, and I broke even once it took out this high right here. Took my partials right here, and I was looking to exit based on my double break of structure down to the downside. So sometimes it can vary. I could use a 2 minute. Depends on how far price is in profit or how far it's going because price can like really fluctuate on that 1 minute time frame. So sometimes I could use a 3 minute and see, but in this case, I was using a 1 minute because a 3 minute would, let me see, a 3 minute would have not given me a reason to exit early and it would have ran all the way, but it is what it is. So let me show you what I was looking at. Ah, let's just delete it alert. I don't need that. All right, let's see where do I see it? So uh, uh, so this was the low for me all the way to this high right here, and price broke structure right here, and it broke structure again to the downside, which I closed the rest of my position right here. And sometimes that happens where price will run up. This put me at a new high for the challenge, as you can see right here, and still haven't reached the profit target, but this is the Myfxbook at a nice 2.13% on the account so far. 50% win rate. Usually my win rate is much lower. And so far a little over 1% for the month. So let's see what I can do with this challenge and let's see how it goes, and I'll keep updating y'all. And if you noticed, I used that title as for y'all to really watch this video because it's not really predicting, it's just following your rules. Because I don't really like when I enter a trade, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be honest. Just follow my rules, and when my rules are met, I enter. That's it. So if y'all like this video, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next.